Hello everyone, it's Maive. Welcome back to my channel. So I have some news and I think there's no point in delaying it any longer because you can read titles, so I'll just go ahead and say it. My first Polymer clay book is out. Yes, I've written a book about how to make miniature cakes from polymer clay, and it's called Miniature Cake Creations, and as the name suggests, it's all about how to make miniature cakes from polymer clay, which were one of my first loves when I first started with clay in 2011. So yeah, here it is, finally, and I say finally because it's been over a year that I've been working on this baby and it's really good to be finally able to come here and show it to you and be able to post it everywhere. So the book is divided into 3 sections, which are traditional cakes, party cakes, and cake themed jewelry and accessories. And there's also a very extensive technique section with everything you need to know about how to make these mini cakes. So this is a really special book to me because it's my first, and it's quite unbelievable that I have it in my hands, that I'm holding it here, and that it's going to be in real bookshops. It's quite a surreal feeling. And looking back to 2011 when my polymer clay journey started, I never imagined that 8 years later polymer clay would have become such a big part of my life and that it would have changed my life so radically. And of course I never imagined that I would be the one writing a book about something that I was just starting to learn about myself. I always wanted to write books since I was a little girl, and even though I never imagined that my first book would have been a non-fiction book, I find myself once again blown away by life and by what it has in store for me, and I am so honored and humbled that it's about a topic that inspires me so much and that it brings so much happiness to so many people all around the world. I wrote this book for you who were here with me since the very beginning, or even if you've just joined me, and it doesn't matter if you have no experience with clay or if you're more experienced. I even wrote it for the slightly curious and want to know a bit more about how to make miniature cakes out of clay. I wrote it in the hope that all of you, independently from your skills, had something valuable to add to your polymer clay journey. On that note, I'd like to say thank you from the bottom of my heart to everyone who has subscribed, who has liked and commented and shared my videos, and keep coming back for more and for asking for more. And I say thank you because without you, I wouldn't have anyone to teach to. So thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. So the book goes out on sale today in the UK, and you can find it on the shelves of Waterstones, WHSmith and Hobbycraft, as well as Amazon. In America, I think it's out on the 15th of October on Amazon, and I'm not sure in other bookstores yet. But I'll let you know as soon as I know. The other piece of exciting news that I have for you is that very recently, or actually a few months ago, I worked on a project which is the Witch's Cauldron Cake tutorial for the Doll's House and Miniature Scene and magazine. This one is already out. You can purchase it from their website. You can either get the physical copy or you can get the digital one, whichever is more convenient to you. And I sincerely suggest that you get one or that you subscribe because, I mean, the magazine is literally shaking with power and talent, and it's honestly amazing, and there's so many incredible artists, and there's lots of interviews and articles and projects that you can do, and I know that you will love it. So I think that's all from me today. I hope you'll get the magazine, and I hope you'll get a copy of my new book, and that you'll love it just as much as I loved writing it for you. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Bye. Ciao, ciao.